I got exclusive access to walk this new development happening right here in Davie, Florida. They have buyer specials and a lot of incentives. And here's the good thing, a lot of buyers don't even know about this neighborhood. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough of two of their townhome and single family models, as well as go through the numbers and the community itself. Let's get into it. What's going on, all? My name is Noel Figueroa. I'm a real estate agent here in South Florida, and Davie is an area that's slept on by a lot of people. You see, when people move to South Florida, the first areas they think of, Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Boca, Parkland, but in this little area is Davie. And here's what I love about Davie. Davie is only 25 minutes away from Fort Lauderdale. This community itself, the Vineyard, is technically about 10 minutes away from Fort Lauderdale Airport. Miami, you're still about a 35-minute drive. But this small city itself is an amazing and is different from any other city here in South Florida. Now, Davie is unique. This is the horse city, I like to call it. It's country. You see people walking on their horses on the trails. But don't get it twisted, you still have a lot of new development happening here in Davie, kind of like as we are right now. But here's the most good thing about this city itself. Outside of the ranches, the horses, the new development, you get a best of both worlds. And for first-time homebuyers, this is a sweet spot because just like here behind us, you have new developments, whether it's with the big developer or just regular single-family homes or townhomes being built on their own. You have the pleasure of doing whatever you want. And prices aren't starting to skyrocket, such as Miramar and Plantation. Now, if you're probably searching up Davie, Florida, you'll probably see older homes, bigger lot sizes, ranches, and new development. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, the new development game has been changing this area for the past few years. And that's why today's video, I'm gonna show you into one of them. So let's get right into it.
Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a quick walkthrough, as you're going to see in the video, of what the townhomes look like, two models, as well as what the single family home look like. Be mindful, these numbers are always subject to change by the time you see this video, but if you decide to buy one after seeing this video, you should be safe for now. So let's break down the numbers real quick. What do townhomes go for? There are three different models, but they pretty much run the same. The asking price for a townhome is about $730,000 up to $775,000. You're looking at 3 to 4 bedrooms with a 1-car garage. And then the single family homes could range anywhere from the price point of $930,000 up to $1.1 million. 4 to 5 bedrooms. The HOA for the townhomes go for $219.60 compared to single family homes, which is about a $21 difference. You're looking at $242.60. Some of the amenities that you get when you live in this community is going to be a pool, a cabana, a toot lot, and a community lake. Now, I'm pretty sure you're asking me, what are the specials that's going on? You're thinking what's happening if you purchase within the month of August, September. Well, no worry, I got you covered. For first-time home buyers that are looking to close in August or September, the developer is looking to pay your closing costs, which is a bonus for especially first-time home buyers. So that is a big win. But most importantly, if you use their preferred lenders within the month of July or August, while using their preferred lenders and closing, you could get, for example, with a conventional loan, a fixed rate of 3.875. Compared to now these days, the average rate is about 6%. But what about FHA or VA? You could also get it for 4.99% at a 30-year fixed mortgage rate. So you're getting discounts right there if you close in July, August. And it goes for the same as September if you decide to close. Conventional FHA or VA loan, you're looking at 4.99. And then just to give you a quick math of what it'll look like between a down payment at 3% versus 5%, the single family home you'll see in the video, I spoke to the developer. They asking for $950,000 for that home. You're looking at close to about $28,000 to $47,000, depending. You put 3% to 5%, and then if you get a townhome at $750,000, 3 to 5%, the difference is 22,500, close to 37,500. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is the cost of what this be as a down payment, what these properties are going for, and the specials happening.
This is for first-time home buyers that want new development and not resale homes. Also, people that want to live near Fort Lauderdale but not pay a premium. Also, people who want a different lifestyle, that Davie suburban lifestyle with a mix of country. But more importantly, someone who gets amenities and not just another home laying on the street. Now, who is this community not for? This community is not for someone that's looking for the nightlife, someone that works in Miami, because this is quite of a far of a drive. But more importantly, this isn't for someone that wants older homes, bigger lot size. These are new developments and tend to be a little bit more cookie cutter, but it gets the job done. If you feel like this is a city and a development you want to live in, make sure to click the link below to schedule a free consultation, and let's see if this is the right choice for you. And make sure to subscribe for the raw truth and none of that fluffy stuff. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.